Okay, here is our tutorial on how to use the Union Leasing fuel card. I'm at a pump now. I got about a half tank of gas. I want to top it off. My first step is to remember my mileage. It's 20,711. I'm going to pull out my Union fuel card and pay at the pump. I'm out of sheets. Insert my card. Leave it in there. It's going to prompt me to add in my mileage. 20,711. I hit enter. So I'm going to ask me for my driver number, which is unique to me. It's a 6-digit number. Prompts me to remove the card, and from there I select the grade and begin fueling. No need for a receipt. All that is kept in our system. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Any questions, please give the call to the 800 number on the card. Happy fueling.